Very interesting today as we
Celebrate Sunday.
celebrate Sunday on this adventure. Here's a red-legged paddy melon. Yeah, there he is. Hello, Paddy. Hello, Paddy. Where's your melon?
Red leg
Paddy melon.
pademelon. Oh, sige, yan daw pangalan niya eh. Oh. School here. They're under the big tree. Ah, yan. That's that one?
Yeah.
I'll be thinking, what's going on? That one. And the other one is hiding there in the cage. Ray talking to. Who are you talking? Okay.
Say, g'day.
G'day, g'day. Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy.
Oi, oi, oi.
Ah. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Tulog. Sige, tulog ka lang dyan. Got the black swans. Lovebirds. Close. Okay, let's get in here. Siguro diri ganiha daghang tao kay daghan mang mga bata sa park pag Sunday. And we're here, amphitheater. Amphitheater. Wala, Aborigines painting. Aborigines painting. And what's in here? On their stage. Turtle. You're in Uluru. Nature Center. Nasa like ano, Red Rock. Uy, what's in there? There's a rabbit. Rabbit inside. Destination. What's in there? It's here also. Tawag ko na rin. Red Rocks. What's the steps here? The Frank Monty Belby-Borough. Okay. And that's that Red Rock. Wow. Okay, let's get inside. Hello. Hello. Look at him. Say hi. Who's that?
A bilby.
What is it?
It's a bilby. G'day, bilby. No one's in
What's that? What are you digging?
No, no, might be going to the toilet.
Going to the toilet.
They're like little rabbit, aren't they?
Yeah.
And nothing over in that bar, I was swimming there. He's seen people here and he went running in the bar.
They're digging and then it forms like this. This one into that. See that's how they're
Yeah.
digging. That's where they sleep. Where's the other one?
He went in the bar. Said people come in, he ran.
Oh yeah. The other one's still digging there.
Yeah, he said, I'm not running.
There. So this is my house. I don't care you. You don't care me.
Hopping mouse. There he is. Look. See him? See this there?
Oh yeah.
Mouse.
Let's stop moving now.
Yeah.
Maybe they heard us.
Oh yeah. There you go, one this way.
And that's the hopping mouse. Ano yung itsura? Dako.
Yeah, there he is, just the knees. He's put away.
Ah yeah, it's walking.
Oh dear.
Flying foxes.
Yeah, back.
Bats. There. In where we live, that killed the
Alban and Casino.
yeah, that killed the trees.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, their pea can kill the trees. Into where we live, the whole town is so bad smell.
Yeah, it's so close to us. Try to put your finger. Try to put your finger ba? Hi. 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 Nagpa-picture siya, oh. Hi. Ah, di ba ang lapit niya? They're not scared. They're just walking. Just walking with us. Brunswick.
They have the dingo here. Why they put? Look at that fence. It's so high.
Down in the shade.
Yeah, it's so high fence because they can jump up to 5 meters. That dog. And recently that kind of dog bite that 2 years old, dragged that 2 years old in Fraser Island. You imagine child get bitten with that dog. What happened to his horn? Why
That's
it's
just why they're grown.
oh really?
They've never been dehorned.
Maybe they just been dehorned and then it's growing again. Isn't? That's normal?
Yeah, it can grow anyway.
Oh really? That's big. That's big,
There's
eh?
supposed to be two in
You're
there.
yum.
There's supposed to be two in there.
Oh really? Ah yeah, it should be
That one down
pair.
the corner there.
Yeah, it should be a pair.
Yeah, so I'm trying to cut them in there.
What's that? He's hungry. He's eating the sticks. Wait, wait. Yeah,
There you go.
the
Meh.
goat.
Meh.
Look at that color.
Meh.
So nice color, isn't it?
Yeah, should, if he opens up his feathers, he might or won't.
The goat. Oh, that's pregnant. That goat.
Goat could be too.
Yeah, that's big stomach.
Not good.
It's hiding again.
Maybe he's in here.
It's not there.
Maybe he's gone to bed. Oh, here he is. Here he is.
And there he is.
Here he is. He said, I'm here.
Hey! Didn't hear. You're deaf. You're deaf and dumb. What are you eating?
It's the Eastern Swallow.
Huh? What's that? That's eating. Hello? Yuck. What's that? Sige, kain pa. Gusto mo yan eh. Parang bula. Hoy! What you said before?
Shut up. That's it, pussy.
That's it, pusit.